The Congress is the legislature of the US government. Salam, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are washing your hands, you are staying home, everything is okay. Today we will talk about what rules and govern Uncle Sam great nation, the American government. The United States of America federal government is a national government which is composed from 50 states, 5 major self-governing territories, federal district, and several islands. Now, before we move to the branches of this government, bear in mind that the United States of America, is a liberal democracy, and this democracy is built up 6 essential ideals, and they are: 1. People must accept the principle of majority rule. 2. The political rights of the minorities must be protected. 3. The citizens must agree to a system of rules by law. 4. The free exchange of opinions and ideas must be restricted. 5. All citizens must be equal before the law. 6. The government exists to serve the people because it derives its power from the people. The US government is composed from 3 branches. The first one is the legislative branch, executive branch, and the judicial branch. The legislative branch is the Congress. We said in a previous lecture that the Congress is the legislature of the US government, i.e. what makes federal law and rules. Now, this Congress is in itself composed of 2 parts. The first part is the Senate. We said that the Senate is a small group of people, of 100 people, that are elected by people to serve those people, to represent those people in the cabinet and the Senate. House of Representatives, we said that it is currently 435 seats. It is the house of politicians that comes together and try to create law and decide law. Now, second branch is the executive branch. The executive branch carry out the law that is created by the legislative branch and try to impose. Now, it is composed from the president. The president is the leader of the great nation. He is elected by the people to serve the people. He is also the commander-in-chief of the US Army, and he served his country for 4 years, and he can be re-elected only 2 times. Okay? The second, the vice president. As the president, he served his country, but for unlimited period of time. And when the president is unable to carry out and serve his country, the vice president becomes the president. Now, the cabinet. The cabinet is a group of people that are nominated by the president himself. They include the vice president, the executive department, and high-ranking officials, for example, Senate. And the last branch is the judicial branch. This branch interprets the meaning of law and try to apply this law on individual cases, and also it decides whether this law violates the Constitution, because everything is about the Constitution. It is composed from 2 parts, which is the Supreme Court and the Federal Court, between brackets, judicial agents. The Constitution of the United States of America is the supreme law of the United States, empowered with absolute authority of the people by firm and of the legislators of the state. It is the source of all government's power and also provides important limitation on the government to protect the fundamental right of the US citizens. To summarize all this, it is the supreme law, the supreme rules that the American states follow for ages. It was written by the founding fathers of the American states. And we will finish this lecture and this series with this quote. We, the people of the United States, in order to form more beautiful union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and ensure the blessing of liberties to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution for the United States of America. And as always, hey doll, hey doll, hey doll, hey doll.
Is he gone? I know. But meanwhile we need someone else. Yes. Bring him. Analysis. Serve your current build.